Hi guys, my name is Hugo Valentin Jr. and we're going to be unboxing Snowy Spencer.
Alright, welcome guys.
From Toys R Us only. So...
It says only in Toys R Us?
Nice. Spencer, Fisher Price. The other side. I like these because you can see all around. But not on the bottom though. Well, that's fine. And this is what I was talking about. He has a mustache.
And a beard. He looks like Santa Claus. That's what it is.
Santa Claus. What's on the top of this? No.
Wait. Oh, he's a diesel engine.
What?
He's a diesel engine?
No.
Oh, so where's this?
It's under.
What? What do you mean? How small is it?
It's small.
I'll see it. I'll see when you open it.
So my dad's gonna open this, right? Because I couldn't do it last time.
Okay, cool. Here. What's your hand? What is this flimsy thing? Sorry, come through.
Oh my gosh.
McColl's farm? Hey, you got more hay.
Yay.
First. Where's my...
Oh, let's see.
Oh, I see that tiny thing.
It's crazy how it's just a little tiny, a little shell.
Yeah, it's a mold. They molded it to this. Watch your hand again. I'm going that way. Oh. Nah, it's not the box. I hit the plastic. Look. The plastic thing was over here. Hit it again. Hit it again. Hit it again. And again.
I can do it. Yay!
Alright.
Oh, well that's funny how the truck isn't all snowy.
Where the other one is?
No.
Oh, you mean the back?
Yeah.
Oh. Everything else is.
Oh, I guess that's if you want it to be normal.
Was the Thomas one full snow or not? The truck? Was the truck one in the back for Thomas snowy or not?
There's no Thomas snow. You mean Gordon snow?
Oh, Gordon, yeah. No, it's clean.
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess it's like for both if you want it to be summer and spring. And
Gotcha, makes sense. Makes sense.
I wonder if they're ever gonna make an autumn one, because they may make snow ones. They made a spring one too.
The cold's not snowed.
There's the Bachman back there. These are the cold. Oh, yeah, it snowed on the bottom. It's probably because it's not snowing. It's just that he's driving on snow.
Oh, that could be it. Sounds legit.
So this comes off.
Dude, that is so funny. When you put that on, it looks like Santa Claus. It doesn't even look like he's smaller like that.
Ooh.
Maybe it just looks so regular.
So funny.
That's nice.
That's funny. So like, subscribe. Ooh, wait. Where is his name? Okay, I see it kind of. Okay, so hope you like this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and comment for more unboxings like these. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Flying trains.